It's Travel Tuesday. If not, it's just another day of a bite-sized travel tip. So, hi for Kuala Lumpur. What am I doing in a bath? So you always wondered how can you get room upgrades without a credit card or without like going and staying in the same hotel 10,000 times until you have enough points to upgrade and be like a recurring client and get all the advantage, or spending a lot of money during the year in order to get status, and when you come to the hotel you get an upgrade. And it's also mostly common for hotel chain, because when you said boutique hotels is a bit of a different program that I will address in another episode. But for this episode in particular, there's a program that I always used for the last 10 years. It's called Intercontinental Ambassador. So with Intercontinental Ambassador, for 200 USD per year, you get the highest status for Intercontinental Hotel. You get guaranteed free room upgrade. You get breakfast sometime in Asia. So for example, now in Kuala Lumpur, I have a full breakfast for free, or I can choose IT. I had choice between IT and breakfast. And what you do, you book the room, and you are guaranteed an upgrade. So just book the basic room, the cheapest room, and they give you the next available upgrade. Sometime, even if they like you, they give you the best room that they have in the hotel. And a tip for that is to stay midweek. If you stay midweek, you are guaranteed to get the best room in the hotel. And with this ambassador voucher, this ambassador status, you also get a free weekend voucher. So with this free weekend voucher, so you pay for the price of 2 nights, you get 1 night free. But it has to be the weekend. It has to be a Friday night, a Saturday night, or a Sunday night. Then one of those nights will be free. So for example, you book from Friday to Monday, Sunday night will be free, or Friday, Saturday, one of those will be free. So this is your money back already. And you but the thing to note with the weekend voucher is only at Intercontinental Hotels. It's a chain with different brands of hotel. So here I'm at Hotel Indigo, which is one of their brands, one of their properties, and you still get all the advantages by being an ambassador, because when you get ambassador status, it puts you to the highest status that you can have with this hotel chain. So as well as being an ambassador, I'm also platinum. And platinum is the one below diamond. Diamond is like the most, the highest status ever. So, and with that, you get bonus points when you stay, and you get a free drink when you check in, and you get a free gift, and you get the best service available. So if you want a bit of a luxury sometime, you go away for a weekend, you don't want to, because I can understand that for a week also, it can become quite expensive. But if you, for example, now I'm just coming from the Philippines, and it was quite rough. I had food poisoning. The hotel were great, but were not as amazing, but it's fine. I don't mind. But now I'm in a layover in Kuala Lumpur. I want a bit of luxury. I want to pamper myself. So I've decided to stay here. And for £200 for a couple of nights, I get this room to myself. So I just wanted to give you this little tip if you want some luxury stay for not so much, because of everything that you get with this ambassador status. I will totally recommend you to do this every year. And what happened, actually, I end up just paying £200 once, because by staying in these properties like maybe 4 or 5 weekends a year, I managed to accumulate enough points to then when it comes to the end of the year, I have enough points to upgrade to ambassador, because I don't know if I said it earlier, ambassador is either 200 USD, either 45,000 platinum point that you can get here. When you stay, you have double the point because you are a platinum member. It racks up quite quickly. So you also sometimes have welcome bonuses, sometimes IHG, sorry, I'm tired. IHG sends offers that you can buy points for less. So keep an eye on your inbox and how you can like really take advantage of this. I always say that loyalty pays. So I know it's easier to stay in this little hotel here and there, but that doesn't pay. And it's the same for airlines. In another episode, I will explain to you how to get upgrades with airlines if you stay loyal to them. So always try to stay loyal to a brand. If a hotel asks you, sign up to our membership program, they're not trying to steal anything from you. There's nothing to be suspicious about. It's not like those timeshare like in like they sell you in resort. That's not the case at all. So nothing costs you to be a member, and it's all to your advantage. So I will always say, always sign up for the membership. You don't know where it could lead you. And if you want a bit of luxury, this is the way to do it. Oh, and one thing I forgot to add is that you can request late checkout, and it's guaranteed as well with the ambassador status. So with this room, I can check out at 2 p.m. So, and it's guaranteed. So it's good that if you have a late flight, you can enjoy going out during the day and enjoy instead of stressing about like checking out and checking out at 10 and then go around and running around. Like, no, you just relax. And actually, even at intercontinental hotels, you have guaranteed 4 p.m. checkout. So yeah, just depending on how busy the hotel is, you get this opportunity. And I love that because I can just chill. Now I'm actually about to check out because I just remember when I was recording the video, I forgot to say that. And just gonna pack quickly, 2 p.m. My flight is at 7. I'm gonna stay 2 hours in the pool, relax, and then I'll be ready for my flight. So last week's question was, where was wine invented? About 8,000 years ago. The answer is Georgia. The country, Georgia. So the trivia for this week is, which European country has no snakes thanks to its Ice Age history? Which European country has no snakes thanks to its Ice Age? Thanks to its Ice Age history. The clue will be in next week's thumbnail. And as usual, there's always an outro at the end of the episode. If you don't know who I am, that position in the bath there was a little hot to Emma Chamberlain because I thought that was quite funny. So yeah, thanks for watching as usual, and live inspired. Bye. If you're new here, I'm Marlene. I'm a part-time traveler with a full-time job. This channel is just to inspire you to travel more than you think you can, and solo as much as you can. So see you in the next one, and live inspired.